Good morning, good morning to one and all. This is Alampalli Akid from the Institution of Aeronautical Engineering, and today I am going to explain about the TikTok and which is related to the subject of the basic electrical engineering, which is generally known as PWE. And my topic is delta to star transformations. And my roll number is 2095182105 as shown on the screen, and related to the aeronautical engineering branch. Star delta transformations, and further we have discussed star delta transformations and further toward problems. Star delta transformations. First we have star connection. In star delta transformation we have first star connections. In star connections, components are connected in such a way that one end of all the resistors or components are connected to a common point by the arrangements of three resistors. This star network. The star network looks like a alphabetic Y. This network is also called as WE, Y or Y network. The equivalence of this star connection can be redrawn as T network, as the four terminals of a network, as shown in the figure. Most of the electrical circuits consist of T-form networks. In the star connection, we have to notice one point, that is, we have to identify that is which star connections can be easily identified. That is, they are in Y shapes. Delta connections. In delta connection, endpoints of each components are coiled. Endpoints of each component or coil is connected to a starting point of another component. It is a series of connection. A series connection of the three components that are connected in a triangle. To form a triangle. The names indicated the connection looks like an alphabetic delta. The equivalent delta networks can be redrawn. Equivalence delta networks can be redrawn to look like a symbol pi. Pi or four-terminal network as shown in the figure. So these networks can be referred as pi network. And we observe that pi star networks and T networks. Star networks, they are generally as in Y shapes, and we can be redrawn into the T networks. Whereas delta known as pi and pi networks. According to the above figure, we can observe that delta or networks are in this triangle, and another one is delta pi networks. There is a lot of difference between the star network and the delta networks, which can be easily identified. And we have delta and star networks. Let RA, RBA, RC are the resistance connected in the star. Let R1, R2, and R3 be the resistance connected in delta. As shown in the figure, delta means R1, R2, and R3, and the star, we can identify the resistors is RA, RB, and RC. The two networks are equal if they are respective in their resistance between the terminals A, B, B, C, and C, A are equal. So that we can identify the resistance of star and the delta connections. Resistance of a star circuit is equal to the product of two adjacent resistance in delta connection circuits divided by the sum of the resistance in delta connected circuits. First of all, we can know about how delta to star connection we can identify and can be resolved into our problem, can be how to solve. According to the equations, R1, R2, R3 are the delta connections, RA, RB, RC are star connections. However, we have to find RA. RA means we have to find that sum of the adjacent sides by sum of all sides. So that RA equals to R1, R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Same as RB, sum of adjacent sides by sum of all sides. RB equals to R1, R2 by R1 plus R2. Same as R3. R3 can R3 RC equals to R2 R3 by R sum of R1 plus R3. So we can easily identify that RA, RB, RC are sum of adjacent sides by sum of all sides. And we can identify the formulas as given on the screen. RA equals to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RB equals to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here R3 RC equals to R2 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is delta to star connection. As we can convert star to delta, as we know that R1 equals to RA RB plus RB RC plus RC RA by RC. R2 equals to RA RB plus RB RC plus RC RA by RA. This is star to delta, which is R2, and R3 is RA RB plus RB RC plus RC RA by RB. This is star to delta of third resistor R3. And we are going to solve one or two problems which is related to a star delta network connections, which are calculate the value of the 3 ohms resistor which connected in the star connections. Star connections, they have given the 3 resistors which are 10 ohms, 5 ohms and the 3 ohms. According to this, we can convert it into star connection. Delta has been given in the question and we can convert into the star. We know that star connection we have the formulas. RA equals to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RB equals to R2 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Whereas RC equals to R1 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Sum of adjacent sides by sum of all sides. You can find like this: RA, RB, RC, and RA equals to 5 into 10 by sum of 5 plus 3 plus 10, and we get the overall formula is 2.77 ohms overall the result. Whereas RB equals to 10 into 3 by 5 plus 3 plus 10, 1.66 ohms. RC equals to 5 into 3 by 5 plus 3 plus 10 equals to 0.83. And we have converted into star connections RA, RB, RC. Then the values are RA equals to 2.77 ohms, RB equals to 1.66 ohms, and RC equals to 0.83 ohms. Thank you for giving this opportunity.